Kia ora everyone, Taka is here from Tamaki Makaurau, Aotearoa, Auckland, New Zealand. Today's topic in Japanese is be going to, showing like intention or something will happen in future. And also later, politely asking question like using do you mind and how to answer. Okay, so let's start. First, present tense, I go shopping. Shopping is kaimono. So I go to shopping. To is like ni in Japanese article. So to shopping is kaimono ni. I go is iku or ikimasu. So how do you say I go to shopping or I go shopping? You can pause if you want. Yes, 買い物に行きます。And then, be going to, I'm going to go shopping. How do you say that? So, I'm going to is つもりです or 予定です。So, I'm going to go shopping is 買い物に行くつもりです。or 買い物に行く予定です。How do you say, I'm going to go shopping tomorrow? Tomorrow is 明日. Yep, you can pause. 明日 comes first. 明日買い物に行く予定です。or 行くつもりです。I'm going to go shopping with my mother tomorrow. My mother is 私の母は私のお母さん。My is 私の。No is something showing ownership particle. 私の my. Mother is お母さん。母はお母さん。With is と。So, with my mother is 私のお母さんと。How do you say, I'm going to go shopping with my mother tomorrow? 明日、私のお母さんと買い物に行く予定です。Bit long, but I hope you can manage it. Okay. And I go to swim or I go swimming. Swim is 泳ぐ. So I go to swim with 泳ぎに行きます。泳ぐ is conjugated 泳ぎに okay 泳ぐに is incorrect 泳ぎに go 行きます So I'm going to go swimming. I'm going to go to swim. How do you say that? 泳ぎに行く予定です。That is like I'm planning to go swimming or 泳ぎに行くつもりです。Okay, I will go to swim, right? And with my friend, remember my 私の and friend is 友達 and with my friend is 私の友達と right? So I'm going to go swimming with my friend tomorrow. How do you say that? 明日私の友達と泳ぎに行きます。You can add to the lake. I'm going to go swimming to the lake with my friend tomorrow. The lake is 湖。明日私の友達と湖に泳ぎに行くつもりです。Okay? Present tense again. I go to work.Work is like 仕事, it's a noun, and then work and verb is 働く. So if I say I go to work, 仕事に行きます or 働きに行きます。Okay, 働く become 働きに行きます。Yeah, we gotta learn conjugated verb. I'm going to go to work on this weekend. This weekend, 今週の週末。週末 is weekend. And this weekend, 今週の週末。So, how do you say, I'm going to go to work on this weekend? 今週の週末に 仕事に or 働きに行く予定です。I'm not going to work. 働くつもりはありません。How do you say I'm not going to work on weekend? 週末に働くつもりはありません。And the next one, it rains soon. もうすぐ、that's soon. もうすぐ雨が降ります。It rains soon. もうすぐ雨が降ります。It's going to rain this afternoon. This afternoon is 今日の午後。Literally, 今日 is today. So today's afternoon. This afternoon in Japanese, today's afternoon. Okay? So 今日の午後、雨が降るようです。降る予定です。降るようです is more natural. It's going to rain this afternoon. 今日の午後、雨が降るようです。And if it rains, you need an umbrella. So how do you say you need an umbrella? Need 必要です。And umbrella is 傘。So need an umbrella. 傘が必要です。Okay? So can you say it's going to rain this afternoon? I need an umbrella. 今日の午後、雨が降るようです。傘が必要です。Next one. It is fine weather tomorrow. Tomorrow is 明日 or 明日。So it is fine weather. Fine weather is いい天気です。or 良い天気です。So it is fine weather tomorrow. 明日はいい天気です。It is going to be a fine weather tomorrow. 明日は良い天気になりそうです。なるようです。or なりそうです。It's just a prediction. So 明日は良い天気になりそうです。Can you do this? It is going to be a fine weather tomorrow. I don't need an umbrella. I don't need 必要がありません。必要ありません。明日は良い天気になりそうです。傘は必要ありません。So next topic is do you mind? In English, you ask something very polite. Often we use do you mind? Do you mind if something? Do you mind if I smoke? I don't smoke, but if you have to say yes, then people don't smoke, I say. If I ask, do you mind if I turn the TV on? TV is a テレビ in Japanese. Television for short. Turn the TV is テレビ. And turn on つける. So, do you mind if I turn the TV on? テレビをつけてもいいですか? Or テレビをつけても構いませんか? And then, not at all or go ahead is usually English answer. And in Japanese is はい. This is come to bit complicated. はい is yes. Yes. Go ahead. はいどうぞ. Go ahead. In English you say no, but in Japanese you say yes. Okay? Do you mind me watching TV now? Watching is 見る. 見る conjugated to 見て or 見ても. テレビを見てもいいですか? テレビを見ても構いませんか? Your answer is no, I don't mind. But in Japanese, はい、構いません. You have to say yes, はい、構いません. I don't mind. Right? If you ask something in Japanese people, do you mind? And if they say yes, that means it's okay. All right? Instead of they say no, the answer is often yes. Questions using do you mind or negative question like don't you or aren't you, the answer is different to English. Yes means no, no means yes. That's all today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. And Chiappai Tolap. Have a nice day. Manu Yaleaso. See you later. かきてあの。バイバイ。